Tonight, I want to give you a small unboxing video on a drone that I impulse bought tonight because I've never flown a drone and I really wanted to. So let's get into it. Well, that was probably the worst time lapse I've ever had in my entire life, but here's what comes in the box. We have the remote controller. Looks pretty sleek. We have the very delicate feeling drone, which was very hard to cut out of the plastic. We have the overview of the remote and probably different things, warranty manuals. They really want you to know that do not return it to the store because, I don't know, they want you to talk to the company instead. Have a handy dandy silica sand, you know, for when you need it. And we have replacement blades and the charger. Very cool. Fun fact, the drone actually comes already charged, so pretty cool. Anyways, thanks for popping by, watching the video. A little unboxing on a little Walmart drone. I will be testing it out tomorrow and we will get some results, see what happens. So thanks for watching.